Now I am going to dictate a passage based on Prime Minister Modi's five-nation diplomatic tour July 2025. Let's start. Prime Minister Narendra Modi embarked on a historic five-nation diplomatic tour from July 2 to July 9, 2025, spanning three continents, Africa, South America and the Caribbean. The countries visited included Ghana, Trinidad and Tobago, Argentina, Brazil and Namibia. This 8-day journey marked Modi's longest international visit in over a decade and reflected India's strategic outreach to the global south. The tour focused on strengthening bilateral ties, promoting multilateral cooperation and advancing India's role as a development partner. The first leg of the tour began in Ghana, where Prime Minister Modi was received by President John Dramani Mahama. This was the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister to Ghana in nearly 30 years. During his stay, Modi addressed the Ghanaian Parliament and held high-level talks aimed at expanding cooperation in energy infrastructure, education and healthcare. India and Ghana signed several memorandums of understanding, including agreements on solar energy development and digital education platforms. Modi emphasized India's commitment to supporting Ghana's growth through capacity building and investment in critical sectors. From Ghana, the Prime Minister traveled to Trinidad and Tobago on July 3. This visit was significant both diplomatically and culturally, as the Caribbean nation has deep ancestral ties to India. Modi met with President Christine Carla Kangalu and Prime Minister Kamla Prasad Bisesar. He addressed a joint session of Parliament, becoming the first Indian Prime Minister to do so. The discussions focused on expanding cooperation in renewable energy, digital public infrastructure, disaster resilience and education. Trinidad and Tobago adopted India's Unified Payments Interface (UPI), marking a milestone in digital collaboration. Modi also interacted with the Indian diaspora, celebrating the 180th anniversary of Indian migration to the Caribbean. On July 4, Prime Minister Modi arrived in Argentina for a bilateral visit with President Javier Milei. This was the first stand-alone visit by an Indian Prime Minister to Argentina since Jawaharlal Nehru. The leaders held wide-ranging talks on trade, agriculture, mining, defense and renewable energy. India and Argentina elevated their strategic partnership with new agreements signed in lithium exploration, food processing and space technology. Modi highlighted the importance of cooperation in critical minerals, especially lithium, which is vital for India's electric vehicle ambitions. The visit also included cultural exchanges and discussions on climate action and sustainable development. The centerpiece of the tour was the 17th BRICS Summit held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil from July 6 to July 7. Prime Minister Modi joined leaders from Brazil, Russia, China and South Africa to discuss global governance reforms, climate finance, artificial intelligence regulation and multilateral cooperation. Modi strongly advocated for the interests of the global south, criticizing double standards in climate and security policies. He called for inclusive global institutions and praised BRICS for its adaptability, citing the inclusion of new members like Indonesia. Modi also held a bilateral meeting with Brazilian President Luiz Inacio Lula da Silva in Brasilia, where they discussed cooperation in defense, agricultural, green hydrogen and pharmaceuticals. Modi was conferred Brazil's highest civilian honor, the Grand Collar of National Order of the Southern Cross, recognizing his contributions to global diplomacy. The final leg of the tour took Prime Minister Modi to Namibia on July 9. This was the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister to Namibia in nearly 3 decades. Modi met with President Netumbo Nandi Ndaitwah, Namibia's first female head of state. The leaders discussed expanding cooperation in mining, digital payments, education and wildlife conservation. Namibia agreed to implement India's UPI ecosystem, enhancing financial inclusion and digital connectivity. Modi addressed the Namibian parliament, reaffirming India's support for Africa's development and recalling India's role in advocating for Namibian independence. At the United Nations, he paid tribute to Namibia's founding father, Dr. Sam Nujoma, at the Heroes Acre Memorial. Modi was also conferred Namibia's highest civilian award, the Order of the Most Ancient Welwitschia Mirabilis, becoming the 27th international honor he was received since taking office. Throughout the tour, Prime Minister Modi emphasized India's commitment to multilateralism, sustainable development and South-to-South cooperation. The visit showcased India's evolving role as a global connector and development partner. Modi's engagements included parliamentary addresses, cultural events, bilateral meetings and strategic dialogues. The tour resulted in numerous agreements across sectors such as fintech, energy, education, healthcare and climate resilience. It also strengthened India's ties with regional blocs like ECOWAS, CARICOM and Mercosur. The diplomatic tour was widely praised for its depth and strategic significance. The Bharatiya Janata Party, within bracket BJP, described it as a transformative moment in India's foreign policy, setting a new era in international relations. Analysts noted that the visit reinforced India's presence across the Atlantic and positioned it as a key player in shaping global governance. Modi's speeches at the BRICS summit and various parliaments were lauded for their clarity, conviction and vision for a multipolar world order. In conclusion, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 5-nation diplomatic tour in July 2025 was a landmark initiative that expanded India's global footprint, deepened bilateral partnerships and reaffirmed its leadership in the global south. The visit blended tradition with technology, diplomacy with development and vision with action. It underscored India's role as a trusted partner, a voice for emerging nations and a champion of inclusive global progress. Thank you.